Part 4 of opening Pokemon cards. Hey! I got the one! Angry. I'm so angry. Please give me a rare one. Please! I'm gonna get my eyes. Ooh! Okay. Please be a rare one, guys. Like in shush. I get a part 2! Actually, this is my real voice. I'm Tagalog, so nag-open na tayo ng Pokemon cards, guys. Uy, sana makakuha tayo ng rare one, guys. Uy, sana makakuha tayo ng rare one. Bro, nakakuha ko yan dati. Let's try again, guys. So, sana wala tayong mali na gusto. Ayoko lang Omon basta. Nakuha ko this. Dagone. Goodness, bro. I'm opening for Pikachu. I think Pikachu is the best one because he had all the rare ones. Pikachu again. Okay, wait mo. Okay, I got that. It's not the rare one. Okay. I got the horse one, so boom. Oh my. Bro, I just got this Rainbow Dragon. His name is RKXC. Dragon, bro. I hope got that. Bro, want to get the like you. Dragon. I want to get that. Whoop.
Enjoy instant interest with Marybank's upfront time deposit. Lock in a 3-month get up to 300.
Open. Papakala ko mamaya puwag tayo.
Gabing-gabi na, Lorenzo.
Diba? Natin. Oo lang, pero naman sa cellphone.
Oh, sige.
Ah,
So angry ako.
Ganyan mo tusan na. Pinagbabaho-baho na pag-iing.
Pero next na paglaki ko, kayo naman mag-utos sa akin, ah.
Lumalabas yung pagiging natural ng isang
suna ako.
Wag po.